The motion is adopted.
Today, President Trump is expected to sign his so-called Big Beautiful Bill into law. It narrowly passed the House last night, with votes falling mostly along party lines, as only 2 Republicans rejected the plan. The sweeping domestic policy bill includes tax cuts, military spending, and mass deportation funding. It is paid for in part by cuts to Medicaid and food aid. King 5's Savannah Welch joins us live in the studio. And Savannah, thousands of families in Washington rely on food assistance. So what do you know about what this means for them?
Well, Sharon, some worry that these cuts could mean more hungry kids at school, especially in rural areas with a higher number of low-income families. Trump's sweeping bill threatens to make a 20% cut to SNAP, which is a federally funded program once known as food stamps. Right now in Washington, about 40% of low-income public school kids automatically qualify for free school meals through a provision that's tied to SNAP. We talked to Joel Ryan. He's the executive director of Head Start in Washington. It's a child care and early learning program. He says this will make it significantly more challenging for families to receive food assistance.
You reduce access to SNAP, that creates additional barriers for kids to be able to get school breakfast and lunch. If fewer families qualify for SNAP, not only do they lose access to those services, but it makes it harder for them to sign up for other programs like school breakfast.
Families who lose SNAP benefits may still get free school meals under the new bill if parents go through an application process. The state superintendent's office, though, voiced the same sentiment as Head Start, saying, quote, fewer students would be identified for support. Ultimately, more students or more children would go hungry during the school day. That's unacceptable. We know students can't learn when they're hungry. Meals at school should be as guaranteed as textbooks or transportation, essential tools for learning. Now, Washington Representative Dan Newhouse supports the bill and defended the cuts. Newhouse, along with other proponents, says the restrictions proposed will rein in federal spending and save taxpayers money. He also said the cuts will end abuse of the SNAP program and ensure the program works as Congress intended. In studio, Savannah Welch, King 5 News.